So after putting everything together, you can open it with a pry tool. This comes out. It's just this square comes out, and you can pry it with a pry tool, or you can put the pliers and open it. Then you can take a brand new battery, 2032. You put it in, and then you press this together, and then it's closed. Now the flip key works, and now let's see that the buttons work. Frequency detection, 315, and let's check it to see that it reads it. And we know that this one is locked, and we need to unlock it. Yep, this one is locked, and I didn't close it all the way, but now it's closed. And this is the remote for Chevy.